Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best New Year's snacks is probably one of the most anticipated culinary aspects of any celebration, offering a delightful array of flavors and textures to ring in the new year with joy and festivity, making every bite a memorable part of the countdown to midnight and the start of new beginnings. Number 5. Nut Cravings Easter Dried Fruit and Mixed Nuts Gift Basket. Celebrate Easter with a delightful assortment of nature's finest. Our gift basket is brimming with a variety of dried fruits and mixed nuts, perfect for sharing. Explore 12 carefully curated assortments, offering a unique and satisfying snacking experience. Each bite is a blend of sweet and savory flavors. Indulge guilt-free in this healthy snack care package. It's a wholesome choice for anyone looking for nutritious and delicious treats. Presented in a stylish black tower with a beautiful ribbon, this arrangement is as visually appealing as it is tasty. It makes for a truly special gift. Enjoy with confidence, as all items are kosher certified. This ensures quality and adherence to dietary standards for your peace of mind. Looking for the ideal Easter gift? This mixed nuts and dried fruit basket is a thoughtful and delicious option that's sure to be appreciated by everyone. What we like? This is a fantastic choice for those seeking a healthy and diverse snacking experience. It offers a wide assortment of dried fruits and nuts, perfect for a guilt-free indulgence. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift or a sophisticated snack for guests, this curated selection is ideal. What people say? This heart-shaped mixed nuts is lovely and feels very special. The presentation is beautiful and the nuts are fresh and tasty. A mouthful of the spicy ones and the sweet ones at the same time is yummy. All the nuts tasted very fresh, crunchy, and it was great to have a nice variety of nuts. Awesome mixed nuts in a beatific heart box. I gave it to my husband as a gift of the heart. He loved it. Not everybody wants candy, and these mixed nuts were tasty. Number 4. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Discover a world of delicious possibilities with over 100 sweet and savory recipes. This book is your ultimate guide to baking fun. From delightful desserts to savory snacks, there's something for everyone to enjoy. You'll find recipes that are perfect for any occasion. Get ready to create treats that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Share your culinary creations with friends and family. Designed with young bakers in mind, these recipes are easy to follow and incredibly rewarding. It's the perfect way to start your baking journey. Embark on a delicious adventure with this comprehensive baking guide. You'll be whipping up amazing treats in no time. What we like? This is the perfect companion for young aspiring chefs looking to explore the world of baking. It provides a wealth of sweet and savory recipes designed for easy execution by children. If you want to encourage creativity in the kitchen and create lasting memories with your kids, this book is a must-have. What people say? Every recipe we have tried has been a success. The instructions are perfectly clear, the recipes are very forgiving and turn out fantastic, and make very manageable quantities. It has a great variety of sweet and savory recipes, so there are plenty of fun things for kids to try making. Number 3. TOPDesign Utility Water Resistant Tote Bag. Introducing the TOPDesign Utility Tote Bag, designed for the modern working woman. Stay organized with 13 specialized pockets to keep all your essentials in place. Crafted with water-resistant material, this bag protects your belongings from the elements. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle your daily commute with ease. Keep your items safe and secure with the convenient top zipper closure. No more worrying about spills or items falling out during your busy day. Featuring thick bottom support, this tote is built for durability and stability. It stands upright on its own, making it easy to load and unload. This tote is the perfect companion for working women on the go. It seamlessly blends style, functionality, and durability for your professional life. Experience the perfect balance of fashion and practicality. This bag is designed to complement your professional look while offering exceptional utility. What we like? This is an excellent option for the organized and on-the-go individual. Its water-resistant material and numerous pockets ensure your belongings are protected and easily accessible. If you're a working woman who needs a reliable and stylish bag to carry your essentials, this tote is designed for you. What people say? Great hardy material, beautiful color with tons of extra space on the outside. Shoulder strap is long enough for over the shoulder or on top of your suitcase. It has enough pockets to keep things organized, and it even holds the largest Yeti mug with the handle on it. It holds that, and you can see it has everything. There are so many pockets. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 13 to be exact. Straps are at a convenient length for hand carry or shoulder carry. The zipper top closure keeps things in. Has a sturdy base, helps to keep it standing. Number 2. CRAVEBOX Snacks Variety Pack, 65 count. Get ready for a world of flavor. This is the ultimate snack variety pack, perfect for any occasion. Inside, you'll discover 65 individually wrapped snacks. It's a treasure trove of cookies, chips, and Easter treats. Whether you're looking for a gift for him, her, or the kids, this care package has something for everyone. It's the perfect surprise for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Make someone's day a little sweeter. Never run out of your favorite treats again. This box is your convenient solution for all your snacking needs. Give the gift of delicious variety. It's a thoughtful present that's sure to be enjoyed by all ages. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for anyone needing a generous assortment of snacks for various occasions. It includes a wide range of popular treats, making it perfect for parties or stocking up. If you're looking for a convenient way to please a crowd or send a delightful care package, this box has you covered. What people say. Instead of going out to buy a bulk of one thing, it made for a nice variety of a bunch of smaller items. A nice mix of sweet and salty. Lots of things he had never tried before, great variety. Number 1. Wildkin Kids Insulated Lunchbox, Butterfly Garden. Say goodbye to wasteful paper bags and hello to a more sustainable lunchtime. Our insulated lunchbox is the perfect size for school or travel, helping you reduce waste and save money. Make every trip a breeze with this travel-friendly lunchbox. It features a handy interior pocket and matches our other gear, so you can pack everything your child needs with ease. We're proud to be a recipient of the Mom's Choice Award. This award recognizes excellence in family-friendly products, ensuring you're choosing a top-quality lunchbox for your child. Built to withstand daily use, this lunchbox is made from durable, easy-to-clean polyester. The insulation keeps food fresh, maintaining both hot and cold temperatures. This lunchbox is designed to perfectly coordinate with other Wildkin items. Your child will love matching their lunchbox with their favorite backpacks and sleeping bags. What we like. This is a wonderful choice for parents prioritizing practicality and sustainability for their children's meals. Its insulation keeps food fresh, and the durable, reusable design reduces waste. If you're looking for a lunchbox that is both functional for school or travel and kind to the environment, this is the one. What people say. Almost 2 years in and looks new with a wash. I am very pleased with how well this lunchbox has held up to 2 years of school and almost 2 full summers of camp. Other lunchboxes we've had have cracked inside on the lining, but this one has absolutely no issues. It's spacious, stylish, and perfect for packing all of our favorite meals and snacks. The quality is fantastic, and it keeps everything fresh and organized. This is a great size, insulated lunch pail. I bring it to daycare for my toddler's lunches. Fits her bento box, an ice pack, and yogurt pouch with plenty of room. Keeps her food fresh. Love the cute designs as well, and it is easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.